and welcome to my channel. My name is Chika.
Starting my mini twist, I already have my hair washed and conditioned and left to air dry. I am using the Marc Anthony Defrizz and coconut cream. I got it from Walmart and it works really well with my hair. So I start with parting my hair. Spray it with my spray bottle. So I braid a little bit and then start twisting. Now I'm twisting. You make it as tight as possible. You just keep twisting until you get to the end. It's mini twist, so I do not necessarily go for a perfect parting as far as it's neat enough.
So I literally do the same for all the twists on my head and curl up the end as I go along and style it in the morning.
So I'm going to show you ways to style your mini twist. This tutorial is especially for people with 4C hair and short hair and non-fluffy or non-juicy twists. Like I wish for all that plump and thick and those really, I don't know, those juicy twists, but I don't have it. But I am going to rock what I have, and that's this cute mini twist, and it's gonna be in the
Halloween edition.
And shout out to my younger brother. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
So now I'm going to show you how I created this.
You're gonna need hairpins and 2 hair ties. I'm gonna create a fake cornrow here. Pull the hair in front, behind. So I'm gonna leave this 2 down. Don't worry about twist falling out as you're packing because you can easily tuck that in when you're done. I'm gonna use this. The less perfect this hair is, the cuter it looks to me. Now we're gonna do the same here. So you're going to move some of the hair backwards, tuck it in, but I leave some on the side. With this hairstyle, you just have to be creative, and it's more of a, it's kind of a playful hairstyle. So one pin was able to do that. I let this side stay in this twist too, in the ones in front, and this is another look. This one looks more formal. Style 3. So I take this in front, the twist in front, I tuck it behind, and then keep tucking it in until it goes into the ponytailed M to create. It doesn't have to be perfect. All you're doing is to just take the hair to the back, and now I'm creating my ponytail. I just hope my camera doesn't go out of focus. Yeah. So some hair can stay loose like this one. I just tuck it in. And that's it. Done. I usually rock this look mostly in the fall, winter, maybe spring, but definitely not summer. It's just too warm for summer. So I put on the earmuffs first. The beret goes after. You can bring some of the bank forward. Then you can rock it this way. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to escape bad hair days, even if you don't have fluffy twists, because your hair is beautiful and you are beautiful. If this video has been helpful to you, please leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any questions you want me to clear up or anything you want me to do in the future, just leave it in the comment section. Just leave it in the comment section and I'll get started. Till we meet again.